What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anthony and this is Watch With Me. Today, really quick video. I might even incorporate it into a longer video down the road, but this is going to be a quick unboxing. I have a very large box right here. It is a part for my 911 that you can somewhat see in the background. Really excited to have this installed. I'm hoping to have this installed this month. I still have my X pipe that I need to get installed as well. Quick wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my Rolex Submariner. This is the 16800 transitional Submariner, only made for 9 months. One of my favorite watches. It's really become one of my go-tos. I just think it's so versatile. It wears really well, very comfortable on my wrist. But enough of that, let's get to the unboxing, guys. Alright, so here we have it. As you can see, it's a pretty big box, but it doesn't weigh too much. It's only around 35 pounds. But let's open it up. This is something that when I originally was going to look for my car, I really wanted to find the 911 with this on the car already, because this part is pretty expensive to buy and then have it installed. So unfortunately, when I found my car, I couldn't find anything, any 911 that actually had this installed onto it. So once I was able to kind of save up some cash, I was able to purchase it. See some decent packaging here. Not really going to do it justice, it's all bubble wrapped. But let's take a look. Ooh. Alright, so this is a GT3 wing. This is for the 997.2, the 3.8 liter. It's gonna look sick, in my opinion. I think I wouldn't have done this if I didn't already have the lip on my car. I do think it might look a little bit odd if I install it without kind of a drop on it. So I'm thinking about doing some suspension work on my car to kind of lower it so it kind of balances it out. I think that I'll throw up some photos right here of what the car will look like with the wing. I think eventually I might do a GT3 front bumper as well. I'm going to kind of see how it works. But yeah, quick video, guys. I might attach this to when I go and pick up the car and it has it installed already, but I wanted to make sure I had it filmed. What's going on, guys? Change of plans. I think I'm gonna go ahead and drop off the wing today to try and get painted so I can get it installed as quick as possible. For those of you who don't know, this is my daily driver. This is my 2019 Hyundai Elantra. So sick. Not really. It doesn't even have rims, those are hubcaps, but has everything I need. It has Bluetooth, rear view camera, and it's good on gas mileage. So great commuting car. I leave this in the city and I leave my baby here on Long Island. So let's see if we can get this wing to fit in the back seat. If we can't, I am shit out of luck. But let's go ahead and drop it off, because I think the wing is just gonna look so sick on this car. I'm fucking pumped. All right, guys, let's get to it. Look at that. Great success. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Let's hope not. Let's see if I can shut this door. All right, we're gonna head out now. I'm pretty excited. So I used to have a Subaru WRX with a ton of work. And this body shop I'm going to is someone I've been using or have used in years, but since I've been out of the car game for a long time, I haven't been to a shop in a while. But I think that he does awesome work. He's reasonably priced. I did shoot them an email the other day before I got the wing, just to let them know what was going on. Have a general idea on price. Don't really know a time frame, but we're gonna go ahead and drop it off today if we can, or at least get an accurate price and time frame. But I'm really excited. To be honest with you, I mean, I've been putting some money into the car. Some of the stuff I did to the car so far, I've only had it for, you know, a year and 2 months, but some of the stuff I've done to the car, I had to do front tires and get that balance. You know, that's like $1,000 right there, because they need Michelin Pilot Pros. Not that they need them actually, but that's recommended. And you shouldn't half-ass it. If you're gonna half-ass it, you shouldn't own the car. So that was $1,000. But you know, the lip was like a couple $100. It was like $300 or something. The wing was expensive. The wing was like $1,500. The X pipe was like $1,000. The spacers was a couple hundred. I'm trying to think. That's pretty much the extent of what I did. I got the side diffusers, but I thought it looked really bad, so I'm not gonna cheapen my car with it. So I wasted $200 on that. Sorry about the filming too. I don't know how these guys always drive and film. I don't have a mount for my camera, so it's literally on my dashboard. So it's just an absolute mess. But yeah. So you know, I've been putting some money into the car. You know, my dream is to own a 991, which is the next generation GT3. You know, very expensive car. The first gen only came in PDK, so you know, not ideal. Although let's face it, the PDK is faster. They might be some of the best transmissions on the market, so I wouldn't mind it. So I would go with the 991.1. Yes, I know there was engine failures in the 2014s, but that's why Porsche backed it with a 100,000 mile warranty, 10 years. So I wouldn't mind doing that. Preferably, I'd want to go to a 2015, or you know, if I went to a newer one, obviously would be great. Going to a newer one would be much more expensive. It would be comparable to when you're looking at the 997, going from the 997.1, which is around $10,000 to $15,000 less than my car, because it had IMS issues and the rear main seal issue. So that's kind of where I'm at. You know, I do think my goal is in a year to keep my car, enjoy it, and then kind of sell it and be able to purchase a GT3. That's kind of where I'm at. All right, guys, I'm gonna continue to the body shop, and I'll catch up with you then. All right, so I went and dropped it off. I think they're gonna get started on it next week. I told them I want it back at least before the 15th, so we'll see. It's like another week and a half or so. I hope it comes out okay. I don't know. Every once in a while, you kind of get like a bad feeling when they didn't have the paint code for my car, and they asked me to look for it. It was kind of scary. So, but I've used them. Like I said, I've used them in the past, and they did really nice work. So I'm super excited for that. I still don't have the X pipe installed on my car. I'm gonna hopefully get that done soon. Camera's sliding everywhere. I'm hopefully gonna get that done soon. Hopefully by the end of this month I'll have the wing and the X pipe installed. If I don't like the way my car looks with the wing without the drop, that'll be the next thing that I plan to have done within the next, like, I don't know, I'll say month or so. But yeah, that's really it. This is kind of turning into a vlog. I've never done a vlog before. I'm actually heading to a good friend of mine, John Keel, who owns Watch Gauge, and I am going to be doing a podcast, and we're going to be doing the live video for the Watch With Us channel with a bunch of different guys, Spanish Rob, Giancarlo, Ricardo. It's going to be fun. Maybe I'll incorporate that into the video. All right, guys, I'll see you soon.